In this video, we will see about loops. So, loops just do specific lines of code, how many times we want. The best thing here is that we can choose the required lines of code. If you feel so lazy, by typing same lines of code some, n, number of times, then use loops. There are different ways in which you can execute loops, and each has its own specific names such as for loop, while loop, and do while loop. In this video, we will cover for loops. Take a look at the program. In this program, we are trying to print the square of the numbers from 0 to 14. The syntax is simple. The keyword for indicates for loop. In order to distinguish the code which you want to execute multiple times from the other code in the program, insert the desired code inside the curly braces. Now, the code is ready to execute. But wait. We need to specify the limit. How many times the code should execute. Otherwise the code will run until your system run out memory. So, for that case, we will use some condition, and the condition is a choice. Normally, the condition goes inside a parenthesis after the for keyword. Let's explore that. This includes three expressions. The first expression introduces one variable, here we have j, let it be 0. Second expression is more important, it limits the loop to specific number of times. So, the mechanism is that the compiler checks the condition before going inside the loop. The second expression is like the entry point to the loop. Only when the condition is satisfied, the compiler executes the code inside the loop. So, the loop runs until the variable j is less than 15 in this program. From 0 to 15, the count is 15. So the loop runs 15 times. But, only when the variable j increments, it can reach 15. So the third expression is used for that purpose. Here is the sequence. The compiler first defines the variable j to 0, then it checks the condition. For the first iteration, the condition satisfies. So, it executes the code inside the loop. After that, it increments the variable j to 1. Even in this iteration, the condition satisfies and the code executes. That's how the loop works. Note that the first expression runs only once, the second expression runs until it is being false, third expression runs after every iteration. Analyzing this example, the second expression runs 16 times, this also includes when it is being false. The 16th iteration stops the code, because 15 is not less than 15, right? The third expression runs 15 times, because it does not run before the first iteration. Note the 10th line, if we try to print the variable j after the loop, then it would give 15, because only after it is being incremented to 15, the loop stop, right? So, that's all. I think that I have explained everything which needs to be told about the for loop. So, all the best. Thank you.